Welcome to helicopter fun. So let's go back there. Remember the propellers go all crazy. I love how it just crashes dramatically. Sorry. Sorry.
I think the wind's taking it away on
Well, that's perfect. Let's start getting it back in our yard, Dad. Oh my God, I have to run all the way out to the old soccer field. I think he's dead. Well, lights are still on. Come on. It's very surprised that this thing still works. One's still spinning. You're never gonna get anywhere. You're never gonna get anywhere.
I think this is pretty sure this is the antenna wire. It needs to be down like that. Alright. Okay, ready?
Fly! Hey! Hey! I want to get picked up! I think it died again. Those antennas, they're just going everywhere, but you're never gonna get anywhere. Silver. Introducing the Yamaha 2006. There we go.
Alright.
I don't trust myself.
Just make it go slow at first so you get the hang of where the thing's gotta be. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Just practice revving it up. Don't worry about the one on the right. Just do the one on the left for now. All right, hit it wide open and it'll take off.
Why I don't trust myself with these things?
Well, the thing is, you gotta make it go up. Quick. Okay, try it again. There you go. Now bring the throttle back a little bit. There you go.
Kind of keep it around there if you can. There you go.
He's doing air donuts. Here he comes. Come a little closer. Or it'll just come over here. The compass that doesn't point north.
You got it. You're working it, bub. Speed it up.
Trying to bring it back over. Trying to bring it back over here.
Yeah. I think if you push the right stick
There we go.
forwards, it'll supposed to make the helicopter go forwards.
Oh, come on. You're coming, baby. Come on.
Easy. I'll stand right here. Just concentrate on the controls.
I think you should move up a little bit more so you can see it.
I think you should bring it down.
Trying.
Slowly. Since it's not coming forward.
There you go. Yeah, it didn't go in the woods. You're all right. Good job. Hey, good job, Bob.
And press the stop button.
Okay.